they fly, stand the fuck up. Where they text though, girl? Give me flowers to a hell 'em. Got the birds so I can sell 'em. And I'm brazy in this bitch. Go get your cousins, you can tell 'em. I ain't never been to feds, but yeah, you fucking with a felon. Used to be a hot head, but I cool my cerebellum. But don't get it twisted, nigga. Still put something in your melon. Find you laying in the cut, though, boy, and Ricky say you smellin'. Used to be a worker, now a nigga got work. You probably thinking 9 to 5, but yeah, I got work. It's been a long ride, nigga, but I stretched it out. Took a detour on you niggas, went a different route. Always been a paper chaser, never chased clout. But somehow my name's still in you niggas' mouth. Is he in Reno or in Texas or in Tampa down south? Is he a rapper or a trapper while his gold's in his mouth? Met a chick from Sinaloa, now the plug is my spouse. Only mini mansions now, no more hood in my house. So when I say I'm hustling, man, this what I hustle about. Birds flocking any weather, flowers blooming any drought.
I would place at your feet. Oh.